Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make this really cute baby pillow. It's super simple, so let's get started. The first thing you're gonna need is the fabric of choice. You could also use a pillowcase to save half the time. I'm gonna be using this pillowcase as my measure, so I just laid it out and I marked my fabric. And now I'm going to cut my fabric according to the size of the pillowcase, leaving about 2 inches on each side. So when I'm done, it'll be something like this. I just turned the fabric inside out, and now I'm going to make sure that all of my sides are nice and even. After I've done that, I'm going to fold the fabric long ways and I'm going to iron the creases. Then you fold it one more time and you iron this part as well. Now I'm just going to iron right down the middle of the fabric. And then I'm going to create the creases at the end and the top. They're about 4 inches in width. And when you lay out your fabric, you will see all of the creases, and the reason why we did this is so it's much easier for us when we are sewing. Now I'm going to round off the edges, but this is totally not necessary. So I folded it in 4 ways and then I rounded off the edges to make sure they're all the same. So when you lay it out, it looks like this. Again, I'm just making sure that my creases are where they're supposed to be. Now I'm going to begin sewing all the way around my fabric, but leaving a little space right in the middle. So as you can see, I have sewed everything here and I left a little space at the bottom so I can turn my fabric inside out, and this will also be the pocket I use to fill it. So I turned it inside out and now I'm going to begin sewing the 3 creases in the middle as well as the top and the bottom. And as you can see, I used a zigzag stitch to make it a little bit nicer, because this you will be able to see. So I just sewed all the way around and now I'm going to begin filling my pillow. So here Jay is helping me fill the pillow all the way around. It was actually not that difficult. You can go both ways so you can get all the way over. And when you're done, it'll look something like this. As you can see, we still have to sew the bottom end. So you can either hand stitch this, or like I did, I used the machine as well. So when you're done, it'll be something like this. As you can see, I love the way that it turned out, and this is the way that it looks when my baby is sleeping inside. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thanks for watching.